Morning, YouTube. Alright, today's project's going to be a short, quick one. If anybody's ever had one of these Colman coolers, it's got the little plastic hinge that fails. So, I'm going to show you my hack to fix that. Let me get you turned down here. So I just got a scrap piece of leather. Hobby Lobby, you can buy bags of just scrap odds and end pieces. So I'm just going to trace around the one hinge that hadn't failed yet. Just plastic. When it bends back and forth over time, it's gonna break. This isn't a fancy cooler. This is a cooler I take when I go fishing, but I still need the lid to stay on it. You can I don't know, I think Walmart, you can buy replacement hinges just like these. They come in a package with screws and everything. But yeah, I'll just make my own. So I just cut those out of a piece of leather. Cut it, make it as nice and fancy as you want. I've got another cooler I did this to. They're still hanging in. So yeah, trim those up just a little bit, however you want them to look. Okay. Put this back on here. Get our pin. Gonna need a pair of leather hole punches. These are from Nards, not real expensive. Do a pretty good job. So once you punch your holes, screw them on, and you're back into business. So putting this one together, Q and I are going to Berrien Springs, try to catch some steelhead. Haven't had any luck up there yet. It's down, there's snow on the ground right now up there. And it's supposed to get down in the 30s, but I'll give you that's why I'm putting the cooler together. Alright, let me get you moved up here so you can see so then you have to take your screws and quick, easy, cheap. So you wouldn't even have to go buy leather. If you had an old pair of leather gloves, you could cut those up, an old pair of leather boots. Furniture store in town used to get in old couches and stuff. I skinned one of their leather couches in the alley. Got a whole bunch of black, really nice black leather. So it's out there. Doesn't take much to find it. And once you get your 2 hinges on, like I said, you are back in business. So just a quick video today, and then next one will hopefully we'll be catching some fish. I know catch some fish pretty soon at this place I'm fishing. I'm gonna have to go try to find somewhere else. I think guys have been catching them. I'm fishing from shore, so there you have it. One cooler, good as new. Alright, thanks. I'll get back with you videos from Berrien Springs, Michigan. Q and I are going to do a 2-day, 1 night in the snow. Maybe cook up some steaks. Hopefully catch some fish. Thanks for watching.